You know that sudden, heart-pounding urge to dash to the bathroom in the middle of a conversation? You're not alone. Up to half of adults over 50 experience a bladder leak at least once. Most never talk about it, but addressing urge incontinence early can change everything. Imagine someone is at a family gathering or chatting with friends when they suddenly need the restroom. They almost trip as they rush off. It happens in the blink of an eye, and in that moment it feels embarrassing and scary. Stick around and you'll discover the simple chair exercise that starts the turnaround and find out why this happens. I'll show you how to spot it before it steals your confidence and share simple steps you can start tonight to take back control. Underneath it all, your bladder is like an old elastic band, gradually losing its snap, held up by muscles and nerves. Over time, through hormones, pregnancies, surgeries, or aging, those muscles stretch and weaken. Meanwhile, the nerves that signal time to go can misfire. It's like a smoke detector sounding at the faintest hint of steam. That false alarm sends you racing for the bathroom. It's not your fault. Your body is asking for a tune-up. The good news, with the right exercises and habits, we can strengthen those muscles and calm those nerves, like retuning a radio signal so it comes in clear again. It may sound frustrating, but once you understand what's really happening inside your body, the solutions start to make sense. First, you feel a sudden panicked need to find a restroom, like a fire alarm in your pelvis. Second, you slip away from conversations more often, your bladder on its own coffee break schedule. Have you noticed yourself stepping away more than twice today? Then you wake up 2 or more times each night, interrupting deep sleep and muscle recovery. Next, a tiny leak appears when you cough, sneeze, laugh, or lift something, just a drop but enough to make you pause. Finally, you finish in the bathroom yet feel your bladder half full, triggering extra trips and surprise dribbles. Recognizing these signals early is your first step towards solutions, so you know the warning signs. Next, let's look at how to regain control. If any of this sounds familiar, tap like so YouTube knows you want more health help like this. First, let's talk about your pelvic floor. Imagine stopping a stream mid-flow. Squeeze those muscles, hold for 5 seconds, then release. And the best part? You can do this exercise right in your chair. Sit tall, gently engage those muscles, and breathe naturally as you hold. If you do 10 of these exercises twice a day, many people see up to a 60% drop in leaks within just a few weeks. Not sure where those muscles are? Try the sensation of stopping your urine mid-flow once, but don't practice this regularly on the toilet, as it can confuse your bladder over time. Next, try a scheduled bathroom break. Even if you don't feel the urge, sit down every 2 hours. After a week, extend that interval by 15 minutes, gradually teaching your bladder it can wait. Finally, look at what you drink. Cutting back on coffee, tea, soda, and alcohol can soothe an overactive bladder. Swap 1 cup of coffee for herbal tea each day and notice how your urgency eases. Stick with these habits and you'll rebuild your confidence more quickly than you might expect. Quick check. Which of those steps are you ready to try today? These tweaks don't take much, but together they quietly strengthen your confidence every day. In everyday moments, whether you're chatting with friends or relaxing at home, these simple habits can make a big difference. To reinforce your progress, try these habits. Sip water in small amounts throughout the day rather than large gulps. Add gentle core and hip exercises, like bridge pose or seated leg lifts to ease bladder pressure. Limit caffeine and alcohol. Set no coffee after 2 p.m. or no alcohol after 6 p.m. Eat high-fiber foods, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes to prevent constipation. Soothe irritation with chamomile, peppermint, or corn silk tea. Some people also find relief with magnesium or vitamin D. Check with your doctor first. Talking about bladder leaks can feel personal and scary. Many people say after 2 weeks of exercises and simple swaps, they made it through social gatherings without a single leak. One person said it felt like a miracle. Even noticing that you can wait 10 minutes longer than last week is a win. And here's something else to remember. There's no shame in using incontinence pads or underwear, whether you're a woman or a man. They're discreet, comfortable, and made to support you through the healing process. Think of them as training wheels, not a defeat, but a way forward. If you're curious, we've linked a few options in the video description. You now know the 5 warning signs, 3 core steps, and 5 lifestyle tweaks. Remember, starting little by little makes the difference. If you found this helpful, please click like and save this video so you can revisit these tips whenever you need. If someone you care about might benefit, feel free to share this video with them directly. For ongoing, doctor-backed advice, hit subscribe and ring the bell. In our next video, we'll share another simple health tip to support your well-being. Thank you for watching. Here's to stronger muscles, calmer bladders, and laughter without fear. Take care, my friends, and I'll see you next time.